Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. Today my sister will be in the kitchen with me today because we're doing condensed milk. Yes guys, you heard me right. We're doing condensed milk from scratch. Well, my sister is doing condensed milk from scratch. And of course, yeah, it's we have to get a video in that one. Anyway guys, let's go and let me start to do the video of my sister doing the condensed milk. Cannot wait to see that and taste it. Yes. So let's start doing the condensed milk. Okay guys, today my sister is in the kitchen with me again. You know that time of the year. Anyway, today we'll start doing the condensed milk, homemade condensed milk, and that's because we'll be using it in a couple recipes that you will see. And yes guys, this is my first time. I didn't even know we can make our own condensed milk thanks to my sister searching.
Right.
So let's start do the condensed milk.
Okay, so first we've got to do the, and when I figure out how this thing works, yes, Jesus, there we go. We're going to put in milk powder.
Does it matter what type of milk powder you have? Right? It doesn't matter, right?
No, whatever milk powder you have. You need milk powder. Yes. Okay, y'all, this is a doubling of the recipe. And if anybody knows me, I don't like to double recipes. I prefer to do the recipe twice. I don't trust my doubling. Anyhow, that's 1 cup. 2 cups almost. I'm not baking, so I'm not too exact. Oops. 3 cups. So 4 cups. So it's 4 cups of milk powder to 4 cups of sugar. Sorry y'all, this will all get squashed up in there as it blends. Is that 3 cups or 4?
That's supposed to be 4.
Alright. 4 cups, we hope. Alright, y'all. 4 cups according to my sister. Okay, and that's the butter. I need vanilla. And again, please remember, you gotta use the good vanilla for this. The good vanilla. I am doubling the recipe. Oh, I could so lick this. Sorry, not on camera. Use your overactive imagination. This is boiling water?
Yep.
Okay. And it's really good to use boiling water because you need it to melt the butter.
Hold on a minute. Give me 1 minute here. Let me pull this up a little bit. There. Get it.
There is a inside paddle thingy that works with this, but I don't want to use it. It's too big.
Oh.
As my sister went deep diving just now for it.
Shut up.
But it is too big. And it will take away some of my goodness. And I love my lusciousness. Alright. Here goes. Let it rip. I'm gonna go get my little doohickey stick down there. So I'll get my little doohickey stick down here and poke down the sugar that's sitting in the corner. I think it's having technical difficulties.
I think next time we do it, you have to put the hot water first.
Yeah.
Or some of the hot water in first. At least half of it.
I can't see my spoon on the, oh, there it is. It's like I can't see my spoon. I can't see my spoon. Oh my god, I can't see my spoon. Sorry. Are you seeing my spoon on the other side there? Alright, y'all. Oh, can I lick this? No. Okay, sorry.
Stick it in there.
No, we need that again for the others. If there will be others. If not, I will be licking. Sorry, that still didn't come out right, did it? It's not appropriate. Behave yourself. You're on camera. Alright, let it rip again. That's the consistency I'm looking for.
Oh,
there we are. May I get my spoon again? I gotta use it at the right spot now. There we are.
Oh,
look
my
at that,
goodness.
Y'all. It's hot. Slightly.
There it is.
There. So I need to do this a bit more because I can feel sugar.
Oh, okay.
Alright, it's my finger. I'm licking it. Oh, man. Get us a tasting spoon. Thank you. Alright, y'all, I'm just checking to see if this still has sugar. You want to blend it until there's no more sugar in it.
That looks nice and smooth.
It looks nice and smooth, and I can feel the thickness as I'm stirring in there.
Oh, look at it on the spoon too.
Mm-hmm. No, there's no more sugar. Oh, excuse me. Pardon me, I need a moment. Ooh. Sorry, y'all.
And I'm not deleting it, guys.
Ooh, Jesus. Ooh, yes, Father. God was testing me just now. I failed miserably. But for those who want to save my soul, pray for me. I gotta go get the jars that are heating right now. Ooh, these jars are hot. Yes, Father. Alright, y'all. For those of you who do canning, you know that this is not exactly ideal, but I'm just softening up the lids. So, here goes. These jars are very hot, so that's why I'm wearing my mittens. And I'm giving this about a 1-inch headspace. I am not going to, I'm not going to pressure can this. Hush. I'm going to now put the lid on the other one, and I do have my own lid lifter at home, but since I'm not in my own abode, this is one of the way of getting it out. Hello. And even with this, you want to do just fingertip tight, even though you're not bottling it. I'm canning it. Wow, smarty pants. Okay, so here we go. This is going, I'll let it come to room temperature, and then we're putting it in the fridge overnight. And then tomorrow we'll show you what the consistency is when we open the jar. And again, remember, these bottles are very hot. Okay, that's that.
Okay guys, the big reveal will be tomorrow when we open one of the jars to check it, and I cannot wait to do that. Okay guys, I promise you guys to show you what's the result of it after we open it this morning, because we did it yesterday, so now we're opening it today. So my sister will open one of it.
Alrighty guys, here goes. There's our ring, and it has completely depressed. I wasn't planning on this, but it's completely suctioned. So they all suctioned. So you usually just get a sharp knife, and you literally just take the knife and watch your finger, because I wanted to make sure you watch your finger, because I'm using a sharp knife. So I don't want my finger anywhere near there, but you just literally take it and you would do like that to crack it open. Pop it open. So here is the condensed milk.
Oh, a little bit down. Yeah.
So as you can see in there, there is condensed milk in there. But that's how thick it is.
Ooh.
Once it's cooled.
Can we taste a little bit? Don't make it sound like that. Okay, guys, I want to taste.
Of course you do. You always do. So here goes. This is how thick it is at this point. I can turn it like that. And as it cools down, you will see how really.
We had refrigerated, guys, overnight.
It was overnight refrigerated. So as you can see how really nice and thick that is, and see how creamy it is, and now it can be poured.
Oh my lord, look at that, look at that.
As thick as it can be poured.
Oh, I could lick that right now.
Ah! Make it sound so dirty. So here is our condensed milk, and I'm gonna give some to my sister to try. Kevin,
and I'm waiting.
Yes, I'm sure you are. Again, it's still pretty cold, so as it comes back to room temperature, it will loosen up.
Okay.
And there you are.
And yes, guys, you see how she wearing her t-shirt, right? The Warriors t-shirt.
Of course, hello.
Oh my god, this is... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, Lord, this is good, guys.
Well, they only say, don't do that on TV.
They can't judge me.
I can.
You, my sister, you're not supposed to be judging me. Right, guys? Okay, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Tap that bell so you don't miss my other video. Guys, you will be seeing what we're going to do with the condensed milk in my other video. So don't go missing it now. Tap the bell so you definitely won't miss it. See you guys in my next video. Stay safe. God bless.